I'm Dan, and I will show you how to use VideoLink. Use the VideoLink scheduler to start and stop live video in a channel. For example, set when you want to start and stop pulling video from a network camera, or when you want to start to stream video from a recorded file. You can also connect a RTMP video encoder as a source to VideoLink and configure the scheduler to begin streaming out the signal to the player or to destinations. You can create a schedule from the left navigation and attach it to a channel, or from inside the channel like I'm doing now. In this example, my media encoder sends video to the channel all the time, but I want the video to only be available Tuesday at 5 p.m. I create a new scheduler. I give it a name and select different schedule of the day of the week. Now I configure the stream to begin Tuesday at 5 p.m. and end at 6 p.m. I save my settings. That's it. My video source is enabled. I need to start my destination and to enable the scheduler. The last step is to click on Go Live. The scheduler is now configured. Here is a confirmation that the live stream will begin on Tuesday 5 p.m. and end at 6 p.m. Hey everybody, we are back to check if our scheduled stream works. I can see that the channel is on standby mode, so this is good. Let's take a look. The time is now 4:59, so the scheduler should activate the channel shortly. To see if this works, I prepared on a basic web page the embedded player code from the VideoLink player section of the console. Yes, it looks like the video is playing and it is now 5 p.m. On my browser, I also have my Facebook profile open, and I can see here that the live video just started there as well. The scheduler works, and these streams will stop at 6 p.m. Remember, you can use the scheduler to start live streams coming from an RTMP encoder, from a network camera, or from a recorded file hosted by any streaming service provider. Good luck and happy streaming!